Are there jobs in Las Vegas? Are the houses cheap in the city? What is the cost of living? Are there good schools? Is Las Vegas a safe place to raise children? How is the healthcare system? You need to know all the answers before moving to Las Vegas. Accompany me to get great information that might motivate you to move to my neon city. Hello YouTube friends, this is Veronica Suarez, your trusted realtor in Las Vegas. Moving to a new city brings a lot of unknowns, hesitations, and concerns. I know this because I moved to Las Vegas almost 20 years ago, and I am here to give you honest information and some tips to facilitate your relocation process. Let's start with the most common question. Are there jobs in Las Vegas? Yes, there are jobs in many areas. It's important to remark that Las Vegas not only offers jobs related to casinos and the service industry. In fact, there is a huge demand of teachers for all levels of education, as well as healthcare practitioners and researchers in several fields. Construction is still booming everywhere in the city. Thus, there are jobs in the neon city. Is there affordable housing in Las Vegas? Yes, housing is affordable in Las Vegas in comparison to main cities such as LA, San Francisco, Honolulu, and others. Your mortgage could be easily half of the price compared to other cities, and this means huge savings for you. If you're interested to buy a home, we're certainly here to serve you. What is the cost of living in Las Vegas? I invite you to check two great websites, nerdwallet.com and bankrate.com. You only need to input your actual income in the city where you reside and the city where you are moving to. Here you will gather information about housing, transportation, food, and healthcare costs. Let's check a couple of examples. NerdWallet states that the cost of living in Las Vegas is 31% lower compared to Los Angeles. Bankrate states that the cost of living in Las Vegas is 43% lower compared to Honolulu. I bet that you would love to save lots of money and to have a better quality of life. Additionally, Nevada is a no state income tax. This means that you will save at least 7% of your annual income. Therefore, the cost of living in Las Vegas is cheaper than other areas. Are there good schools in Las Vegas? Although Nevada is ranked in place number 43 in education, I kindly suggest you to research further because there are great options such as charter schools and high schools, career and technical academies, Las Vegas School of Arts, preparatory schools, and others. If you are concerned about college and university, please check the Millennium Scholarship at University of Las Vegas, UNLV, to receive up to $10,000 for undergraduate programs. Links with requirements and enrollment forms are in the description area of this video. Great and free education is attainable in my city. Another frequent question is Las Vegas a safe place to live? Absolutely. There are awesome residential areas throughout the city that deserve to be visited. There are beautiful neighborhoods for all types of budgets, and to learn more about the crime rate per zip code, please check this link with the most recent statistics from the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. This will give you insightful information to choose your future neighborhood, and we are here to facilitate the purchase of your home. I received multiple phone calls from mothers who ask if Las Vegas is a safe place to raise children, considering that it is the Sin City. I am a realtor and I am also the mother of a teenager. Therefore, safety is very important to me. I live in the city of Henderson, that is one of the top safest cities in the United States and has great schools and parks. Please click this link to know more about the city of Henderson and everything that it has to offer. How is the healthcare system in Las Vegas? There are multiple options for health coverage in our city. If you are new to Las Vegas, I suggest you to visit nevadahealthlink.com. Prior enrolling to any health program, This is an official website where you can shop for state-certified health insurance plans according to your income. I guarantee you that you will save money here. I trust that this insightful information has provided some clarity and peace of mind to move to Las Vegas. And if you are ready to make the move, please click the link below to contact us. We would love to help you buying your dream home or investment property in Las Vegas, Henderson, North Las Vegas, and Boulder City. See you very soon.